Good morning, students. Now I am teaching 10th class, first chapter, real numbers. So, what is the problem of? Prove that root 2 is irrational number. Okay, so here, what is called irrational number? A number cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Is called irrational number. Okay, here what they asking that prove that root 2 is irrational number. Okay, how we can prove root 2 is a irrational number? But actually we don't know that root 2. We know that root 2 is irrational number. So what is the value of root 2? 1.414 and so on. Okay, how we can get the value of root 2? By using dot division method. Okay, so here this number, how we can prove that irrational number means by using contradiction method. Contradiction method means what? First take that it is not a irrational number. Okay, it is not a irrational number means what is the meaning that one? It is a rational number. Okay, so here first we take that root 2 is not a irrational number. Then prove that root 2 is a rational number. Okay, then prove that root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, so by using contradiction method, let us take root 2 is not a irrational number. That means it is a rational number. Okay. Root 2 is a rational number. Which rational number? Simple rational number. So what is called simple rational number? A number which is in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes. Q is not equal 0. Okay, so root 2 is a simple rational number. Okay, so that is root 2 is equal a by b. Okay, so root 2 is a simple rational number. Here root 2 is equal a by b, where a comma b are co-primes. Co-primes means what? SCF is 1 and the denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, so here root 2 is equal a by b. Okay, here left side is square root, right side is a by b. Okay, we can cancel the square root. That means how we can do that? Square on both sides. Square on both sides. That is root 2 whole square is equal a by b whole square. Okay, square root. Square root means what? Its exponent form is how much more? 1 by 2. Here a power n is equal to x. A power n means what? A is the base, n is the power. That means the power is indicate that a base is how many times multiple. That means the a is multiple how many times? N times. We can get one number. The number is x. Okay, this n is going to right side. It is become reciprocal. That is a is equal to x power n. N how we can write? N by 1. That is 1 by n. So this exponent form you can write like this, nth root x. Okay, so a is equal nth root x. So this is the definition of circle. Okay, here n is the order of the circle. X is a positive rational number. This sign is called what? Radical sign. Okay, so here the n is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so that is if n is equal to 2, then a is equal x power 1 by 2. This x power 1 by 2 you can write as square root x. Simply square root x you can write as root x. Okay, ma? So here root 2 how you can write, ma? 2 power 1 by 2 whole square is equal a by b whole square. Here we know that a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. Dash a by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. So that is equal to 2 power 1 by 2 into 2 is equal a square by b square. Here 2 cancel. So then 2 is equal a square by b square. A square by b square. Then 2 is equal a square by b square. Here b square divide. This b square is going to right side left side multiple. So 2b square is equal a square. Here we can do two process now. Okay, how we can do? Here by using multiples or divisible. Okay, so first we can do that multiple now. Here a square is equal to b square. That means a square is a multiples of 2. Okay, that means if a is also multiples of 2. Okay, now so how means for suppose a is equal 4. 4 means how we can write 2 into 2. It's square, a square, that means 4 square. That means how much? 16. 16 how we can write 2 8. Okay, if a is multiples of 2, its square is also multiples of 2. Okay, it's reverse now. A square is multiples of 2, then a is also multiples of 2. Okay, now so next divisible. Divisible is also same. If a is divisible by 2, then a square is also divisible by 2. For suppose a is equal 8. So that means 8 divided by 2. How much you can get? 4. So then a square means 8 square. That is equal to how much? 64. 64 is divisible by 2 now? Yes. That is how much? 32. Okay. If a is divisible by 2, then a square is also divisible by 2. Okay. So here divisible is nothing but multiple. So here 2b square is equal a square. That means a square is multiples of 2. Okay, we know that a square is a multiples of 2. Then a is also multiples of 2. Okay, that is a is equal multiples of 2. So what multiples of 2 is nothing but even numbers. Even numbers are in the form of 2n. Okay, n means what? Natural number. So we take that. Not only we take the n we take any symbol so that is 2n. So understand this a square is a multiples of 2. Then a is also multiples of 2. That is a is equal to m. Okay, so this a value we can substitute in 2b square is equal a square. So that is 2b square is equal a value is how much 2m whole square. Here we can apply that ab whole power m. A power m into b power m. This 2b square is equal 2 square n square. So 2b square is equal 4n square. 2 here multiple. This 2 is going to divide. B square is equal 4n square by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So that is b square is equal to n square. Same. If b square is multiples of 2, then b is also multiples of 2. Okay, we know that b square is a multiples of 2. Then b is also multiples of 2. Okay, that is b is equal to n. Here a is multiples of 2. That is a is equal to m. B is equal to n. So a and b are common multiples of 2. Okay, so that is a and b are multiples of 2. Okay, that is 2 is a common factor A and B. So here what you take that first root 2 is a simple rational number. That means there is no common factor. But here what is the common factor? 2. So therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore root 2 is irrational number. Therefore ends true.